Okay, part 2. Now here's the demonstration of our cars in action. Kinda noisy. Okay, as you can see here, this car is clearly running, and this car is currently stopped. This traffic light over here corresponds to this car. Okay, now this one is starting to go. This traffic light corresponds to that car. Okay, this is stopping. This Camaro should start to run again shortly. There we go. And that's a yellow light. And when you see it turn red, it should stop. It stops. Again, showing you on here. When this turns green, the truck should start running. And we're in action. And taking a look at the information that's being sent to show you what's going on. And the east-west car is going to low. And the north-south car is about to go to low. NS. And there you have it. That's our demo. We'll explain more details later.